Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to back up your iPhone data. So if you want to back up your iPhone data, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open the settings app on your phone, then tap on your profile name at the top, which is your iCloud settings. Then scroll a little bit down, then tap on your iPhone. Then from there, tap on iCloud backup. Then make sure that the iPhone is backup. Then if this option, which is back up this iPhone, if this is toggle off, make sure you toggle it on. Then after that, you can also click on backup now. Then all your data or your iPhone data will be simply backup. Then after that, you can also click on all device backup. Click on it. Then from here you can simply choose the type of data you want to back up, or you want the app or the type of app you want to back up its data on your iPhone. So if you want the iPhone photo library to be back up, just toggle it on. Then if you want the podcast, also podcast, turn it on. The DLX, turn it on the iPhone. Then Pinterest and some other app like that, then as you'll simply turn it up. And here is the backup size here. Is backup size. So if you want to back up this particular new iPhone, it will take me about 2.25 gig just to back up its data, and that's it. So once all this is set up, then click on backup now, and this is the amount of data that this will consume, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.